Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to show you how you can make things go faster and make it a little bit more fun. So what I'll do is I'll add a global variable and I'm going to call it score. Again, you could add a scoreboard and do all that sort of stuff as well if you want. I'm going to start the initial value as 0. So I've got another, where did it go? There it is there, global variable score. Yeah. I'm going to say when the bullet collides with a rock, destroy the rock, destroy the bullet. And then what I'll do is I'm going to start to add things to different global variables. Yeah. So what I'll do is I will, hang on, tick, get out of that, get into that, cancel, cancel. I'm going to add to the score. Let's add, I don't know, we can add 1 to the score, whatever. But I'm also going to add to the rock speed. I'm going to make it go a bit faster, yeah? So I'm going to make it, it started off with 20, so let's add another 20. So it's going to double in speed, and it's going to keep going up by 20, yeah? But I'm also going to add to the wall speed as well to make it look like it's going even faster. And remember, it's in negative. So I'm going to add minus 20 to this as well, yeah? So it's going to get faster and faster and faster. The nice thing about adding minus 20 to wall speed is that, remember we talked before about having the tile background also going at a certain speed that's also dictated by the wall speed. So it means we don't have to have 2 different global variables for that. Yeah, so the tile background and the wall will both change at the same time in relation to each other. Okay, so I'm adding 1 to the score, I'm adding 20 to the rock speed, I'm adding minus 20 to the wall speed. Okay, and that can be my scoreboard, but the rock speed and the wall speed, I guess, are the ones that are really important. So you can see we've got our rocks. So can you see things are starting to get faster? Oh, I already got killed. Yeah, maybe what I need to do is I need to get rid of some of these rocks. So I'll start by moving that out of the way, and I'll delete that one, and I will delete that one, and I'll delete that one, and then let's see how we go. So it might be more achievable this way. The other thing is you might want to play around with the walls as well and have the walls not so thick, because at the moment I can only do this. Yeah. So I just got hit by one. You see that? I got randomly hit by one, so I got killed straight away. Yeah, but I can shoot that, and you can see it's already starting to go a bit faster. Maybe it's going too fast. Oh man, I just got killed straight away. Yeah, it's going really, really fast. Yeah. So again, you might want to play around with things. You might want to make that gap there a little bit. Oops, sorry. You might want to make that gap between there and there a little bit wider. You might want to change around with the event sheet here. You might want to change those rock speeds. Instead of making it 20, maybe it needs to be 2. Obviously, I'd need to add a scoreboard. So add a new object type, and it's text. And that text is going to go where? We're going to put the text up there, and we're going to make it larger, and then I'll make it size 30. Maybe change the color of it so that it's white. Yeah. And whatever, and then let's call it scoreboard. Let's call it edit behaviors. Hang on. Oh yeah, that's right. We want to anchor it, don't we? Yep. And then we want to rename it so that it says score. Yep. And remember, what else do we want to do? We want to say on the event sheet, we want to say at every tick, remember, system at every tick, we want to have the scoreboard. We want to set the text, set the text to say set the text to say score equals space, and then it's and score. Done. So when I see that, I can see my score. Yep. Got it. Easy enough. You can play around with that and add to it. Obviously, it's nice when they're a bit slower, isn't it? But it's getting faster. It's getting faster, and I died straight away. Okay, so that could be a really challenging game, maybe, I don't know. But you can see how you can set these things up. You can play with them and make them work really well.